Hello guys, and welcome back to my Christmas gift guides 2019. If you haven't been here before in previous years, you might not know that I actually do 5 different gift guides. So today's video is going to be my what to buy her for Christmas, but I also do a separate beauty gift guide, so there'll be no beauty gifts in this video. That video is actually already up, so you can head over and watch that on my channel if you want to. I also do a stocking filler gift guide, which is all under £20, as well as what to buy him and a kids version as well, which are coming up very soon. So without further ado, I'm going to talk about my top 10 gifts for her. They're all over £20 but range all the way up to super luxurious, very treat worthy gifts. However, if you guys don't also know, I do giveaways every single year as well, so pretty much all of the gifts that you're going to see in this video I'm also going to be giving away over on my Instagram in the next few weeks. So if you're not already following me over on Instagram, then head over there. There's going to be some seriously good giveaways going on. I feel like this year is better than ever before. So they're like what I'm showing you but elevated, so like a lot of them have gift vouchers with them as well. So very excited for the giveaways, and they're going to be running right up till the end of November as well. So on to the gifts. Number one this year for me is definitely got to be an experience. I have for quite a long time now been really into gifting experiences. I think especially when it comes to close friends and family that you don't spend enough time with, it's such a nice thing to do. I also think as we get older, and as I've gotten older, I've noticed it's so much harder to spend time with your friends and spend time with your family. So it's something that, especially within my family, like with my siblings, that we try and do a lot for like people's birthdays and for Christmas, is to organize something together to actually spend time together. So whether or not that is buying tickets for something, or whether it is organising to go out for dinner or something like that, I feel like it's such a nice gift to organise an experience. And this year I have actually done for my siblings and our partners, we're all going to the Stranger Things Secret Cinema that's happening in London throughout the festive period. I think it's like December, January and into February. We're going in January. We're all massive Stranger Things fans, so if you know anyone who's a Stranger Things fan and are looking for an experience gift, I feel like look no further, it's going to be awesome. So that's my number one gift. Number two is if you are buying for a gym bunny or somebody who likes to work out. I absolutely love Sweaty Betty workout gear. I think it's such good quality. It is quite expensive, but it lasts so well. The stuff that I've got from them, like, it literally all looks brand new after it's been washed loads and loads and loads. So I feel like for me, I'd rather spend a bit more money and have something that lasts. And they have recently brought out these, which are their sculpting gym leggings, but they're made out of recycled plastic bottles, which I think is really cool. Obviously, it's a little bit more of a sustainable option when it comes to buying gym gear, which is normally, well, it has lots of plastic in it. So if it's recycled plastic, that's awesome. They actually also only do this design, so Sweaty Betty, if you're watching this, please make more designs of your recycled leggings, because it doesn't really give you the biggest option, because I feel like this is just the one colorway, but a really nice gift nonetheless. I feel like this would make a good option for somebody who's really into the gym and also environmentally conscious as well. Another thing that I love from Sweaty Betty that kind of ties into that is this gym bag. This is actually something that a friend of mine has that she really loves and recommends, and I have to say I was really impressed by the quality of this. Like, first of all, it feels like you're having a hug when you carry your gym bag. It's super squishy and soft, but it's also brilliant quality. I think it's £95. It's really big, works really well as a weekend bag. It has lots of pockets. It's got a separate section in the bottom for dirty stuff or for your shoes. It's got straps on the bottom if you want to carry a yoga mat that you can attach. Just a really nice gym bag. It's got a lovely zip. All the hardware is rose gold. And just, yeah, like I said, really nicely made. I feel like it will last a long time. I'm also going to be giving this away along with a whole lot of other Sweaty Betty goodies over on my Instagram. So that's a sneak peek at one of the giveaways. Next up, as a Christmas gift that I really rate, is nice pyjamas. Now this might seem really obvious because I feel like pyjamas is something people often buy you at Christmas, but over the past few years I've started to really get into buying less but better quality pyjamas, because they last so much better and they wash so much better. And if you think about it, you spend like, what is it, a third of your life in your pyjamas sleeping. So the ones that I am coveting the most this year are these, and these are from Liberty. Liberty do the most gorgeous pyjamas. They also do silk versions of all their pyjamas, which are a lot more expensive. They're about £400. These ones are the cotton version. They're still pretty pricey. They're $2.25. I think they're actually currently in the sale though, so you might be able to get a discount. Also Black Friday is coming up, so you'll definitely be able to get a discount then. But they are just the most beautiful print and the most beautifully made. I feel like there's something really gorgeous and old-fashioned about Liberty print, and I just absolutely love these. If you guys can see, they're very floral, but they have this gorgeous kind of paisley style detail on the bottom. Absolutely love these. I think they would make a gorgeous gift, and it's one of those things as well, if you're buying for somebody who's hard to buy for, a pair of really nice pajamas. Nobody can not like that, because we all wear pajamas, we all need pajamas. A really nice pair of new gorgeous pajamas for Christmas is always a good idea. Another thing that I think this year, this is actually top of my Christmas wish list, Squidge is joining me again, the most annoying dog in the world whilst I've been filming these gift guides, let me just tell you, Squidge, she looks so cute and peaceful now, but she's been running around this room. Top of my Christmas wish list this year are these. I'm actually going to be giving these away as well. Chanel sunglasses. These were actually, I spotted these when I was in Paris on the advertising campaign on the massive billboard. And normally with sunglasses, I feel like some of the ones in ad campaigns, I'm like, that's just not going to suit me. But these, I feel like they're very universally flattering as a shape. So I feel like they would be a kind of a safe gift in terms of, do you know if the sunglasses are actually going to suit who you're buying for? First of all as well, Chanel have changed their sunglasses packaging and I absolutely love it. Previously they had the hard case snap boxes that were really bulky. This is still quite big, but it's soft. So it's a little bit more handbag friendly, a little bit more adaptable to space in your bag instead of being like a big chunk. But these are the sunglasses. I don't actually know the name, but I will link them below. I just think they are super, super cool. And I actually didn't realise in the ad campaign how the front of them is actually completely flat. Like, it's like just one lens, there's no frame around the edge. They are cat eye. I don't know if you guys can see, they have this like etch detail here and then the little CC on the side, and they're all black. You can actually get them, you can see my ring light, you can actually get them in a few different colorways. I know they do brown and they do grey, I think, but these are the all black ones. I just think they're super, super cool. Love them. They are top of my Christmas wish list this year, I think. But I'm going to be giving those away as well, like I said. Another thing that I think is a really nice gift that I often buy people is a picture in a frame. I haven't actually put a picture in this frame, but as a picture frame, this is one from Anthropologie. I do a lot of my Christmas shopping at Anthropologie. I think they do really lovely gifts. And this is a gold kind of very detailed little picture frame that I thought was really sweet, and it's something that I like to do. I think it's one of those things that if you're buying something who's really hard to buy for and has a lot of things, it's really nice to print off your favourite picture that is relevant to them, whether it's of you and them or not, whether it's of, you know, kids or whatever. Something that I do for my dad and my father-in-law a lot is print off pictures of River and frame them for like their birthdays and stuff, because there's not that much that they want, you know, and it's nice, it's something nice. I think it shows that you're spending a bit more time, thought and effort into a gift. So this picture frame is actually £32, and they do them in different sizes as well, but obviously buy whatever picture frame you want, but I like this one. The next thing that I think is a really nice gift around Christmas time is knitwear. That sounds really obvious because it's cold and it's winter, but I was shopping recently in Sezane and I bought a jumper from them. Their knitwear selection at the moment this season is amazing. Like, they honestly have the best knits. They've got gorgeous colours as well, and there's two of my favourites. One of them is actually my one, which is the one that I bought recently. This is the white knit. You might have seen me wearing this on my Instagram, also in a few videos as well, but this is just a really beautiful detailed kind of like open knit jumper. And I would say, the one thing I would say with Sezane knitwear is go down a size, because I'm normally small and I buy extra small because they're really oversized. But that's my one. And then my other pick would be this gorgeous raspberry. There's a debate about this. I had a debate with the girl in the shop whether or not this is red or pink. I think it's raspberry pink, but it's showing up on camera really red. It's like the most rich, dark raspberry pink. It's gorgeous. Again, it's got that like open knit, and they're so like fluffy and cozy and warm, absolutely gorgeous, and they range from about £90 up to £100. So that would be my pick if you're thinking about buying something for somebody that is fashion related. I think a really nice piece of knitwear is a lovely gift. The other gift that I always recommend every single year in terms of buying something fashion related is probably a handbag, because I feel like it's one of the most luxurious kind of treat gifts that you would buy somebody or that is in someone's wardrobe most of the time. And this year I'm absolutely loving these little camera bags from Aspinal. I think they're such brilliant quality and really good value for money. They're $275. So in comparison to a lot of other ones that are on the market of a similar kind of style and quality, I think that's really good. The straps are gorgeous. They have these really thick guitar straps. This is the grey one. I actually have a couple to show you, and I'm also going to be giving one away as well. And then this is the black one, but they also do burgundy. They've got a really gorgeous bright orange one as well. So if you are looking to buy somebody a handbag this year and you don't want to go all out designer and spend thousands, I feel like these are a really good option. They're a similar size to the super popular Gucci Soho disco bags that everybody has been loving for the past few years, and I feel like it's a really good option if you don't want to break the bank and go for one of those. They are still really lovely quality, and they have the really chunky zips. You can also change the straps around as well, so you can buy these without the guitar straps and with like a thinner leather strap if it's not kind of your style, but they do lots of different designs. I also really love the A detail as well. Would work especially well if your first name began with an A, but mine doesn't obviously, but I still like it. Obviously stands for Aspinal, but if your name was Alice, I feel like it would be kind of great. So yeah, that is my handbag pick for the year, and like I said, it's going to be one up for grabs as well as a voucher for Aspinal over on my Instagram. Moving on to jewellery. So every year I include quite a bit of jewellery, and this year I feel like there's such a gorgeous selection. I've picked out a few things and they vary from about £40 all the way up to about £1,500. Again, I'm going to be giving them away. So my top picks this year, I always go to Monica Vinader for Christmas gifting because I think they just do it so well. The quality is brilliant. Most of the jewellery that I wear on a day-to-day basis is from Monica Vinader. I wear tons of her stuff. And this year they've just launched these, which are the Fiji bud cuffs, but the diamond version. So I actually have one of these in the rose gold, the plain version that came out, I feel like it was either a year ago or no, it was 2 years ago they came out. So they've just released the diamond version. They are a little bit more expensive, but they're so gorgeous, and I feel like this would be the most amazing gift to have all three of them, because together they look so stunning. I love mixing metals as well, which is why I love Monica, because they don't just do like things in gold or silver or rose, they do them like all in all the colours. But yeah, again, I go back to Monica Vinader pretty much every year for gifts. If you're buying something in the bracket from around the kind of £75 mark to a few £100s, I feel like you can't go wrong with them. In terms of more affordable jewellery, I actually really love these little hoop earrings from Olivia Burton. These come in at £45, so they're a lot more affordable, but still gorgeous. And I like that they're different as well, because those kind of the tight kind of Huggie earrings that were made super popular by Maria Tash, which I always wear, are everywhere now, and it's hard to find things that are like different, whereas these I think are really cool. They have the rainbow baguettes cut stones going around them. I'll do a close-up so you can properly see, but they're just so pretty. I think these would be a really nice gift, and they do them in gold and silver as well as the rose gold, but they're really nice and, like I said, a little bit more affordable. And another thing from Olivia Burton as well, I really rate her watches, and I've worked with Olivia Burton a lot in the past, as you guys might know if you follow me on Instagram for a while. And this year they've just launched this watch, which I think is so stunning. This is the Rainbow Bee watch, and I like this for a few different reasons. Firstly, because they've got those baguette stones on the time dots, which I think is so cute, and they actually have the rainbow colours as well, so it's like a little bit of colour, but it's not totally in your face. And the other thing I really love about this watch is the strap, because it's made to look like fabric, but it's actually metal. So the actual, they've almost like texturized the metal strap, and it looks really pretty, like it's woven rose gold, and it's just really stunning. I also love the size of this watch because it's chunky, but it's not too big. And this comes in at 145, so if you're looking to buy a watch that is kind of mid price point, I think this is a really good option for Christmas. And then last but not least on the jewelry front, I'm so excited to be doing a little bit of a collaboration with these guys on my Instagram as well, because this is such a gorgeous Christmas gift and something that I'm so excited for one of you guys to win. Fenton & Co. I don't know if many of you have heard about Fenton & Co. It's a jewellery brand where you basically custom design rings. So they do everything from engagement rings to eternity rings. They do multi-stone rings, but they are real precious stones in the ring, but you can completely design what size you want, what colour the stone you want, and all of the different little bit of sort of extra. So whether you want the setting to be a certain colour and the band to be a different colour, whether you want pave, diamond band, all of that, you can completely design the rings yourself, and they are so stunning. So this is actually the one I've picked out as my favourite, and I'm actually going to be giving away one of these, or to be fair, just the opportunity to design your own ring with Fenton & Co. Whether or not you want to put additional money in and make a bigger one is up to you. But this is their garland design ring, and it's set with emeralds surrounded by diamonds. I just think this is such a classic ring. It looks like a vintage piece. The other thing that I really love about Fenton & Co is that all of their stones are sustainably sourced. Their metals are recycled as well. So if you're looking for a more sustainable option for a luxury piece of jewellery and you don't want to buy vintage, then it's a really, really good option. So yeah, this is my favourite from them. I think it's absolutely stunning. I love emeralds. But I'm going to show you guys a little selection of what they do, because they essentially, like, you're designing your own thing, so you can have whatever you want. A really lovely option if you are buying for your other half, for your wife, or your girlfriend, or if you're thinking of proposing at Christmas, it's also a really good option. Then I would definitely recommend checking out their website, because they have so many different options, and they're actually really fairly priced as well. They're not crazy expensive for what they are, considering they're precious stones. So yeah, that is it for my what to buy her for Christmas gift guide this year. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, head over to my Instagram, it's where all of the good stuff is going on. And I will see you again very soon for my stocking filler gift guide and my what to buy him for Christmas with Mike. He's only joining me for that one this year because he's super busy, but he will be back, guys, I promise. And I will see you, I hope to see you there. Bye.